Hi, this is Roger from CASIO Labs, today with a kind of answer video to Dave Jones' ones from last week about the world's thinnest calculator. Now, when I saw his video, I remembered I have in my Braun collection a solar card calculator that looks exactly like the CASIO one that he showed. And for comparison, a traditional Braun solar calculator in the desktop form factor. This one here was designed original by design legend Dieter Rams. The small solar card calculator was designed by the Rams team, but by one of his colleagues. So I even have got this from eBay at that time with the original cover. Let's pull it out and take a look. Even this artificial leather case is still present, and obviously it's still working. Let's compare it with a credit card. So the size is the same. Let's measure the thickness. So my credit card has 0.8 millimeter thickness. Let's see what this one has. It's, by the way, it's the ST1 solar calculator, and that one has 2.13 millimeter. Sorry if it's reversed here due to me being left-handed. This way you can probably see it a bit better. 2.23 millimeters. So I can't remember exactly if Dave Jones' CASIO calculator was thinner than this one, but it looks exactly like the one he showed in the video, the layout, etc. And he also mentioned that it was quite easy for CASIO just to rebrand this, because they only had to make the cover foil with a different printing. And let's see if it still works. Yes, it does. So, would be interesting. I've a book with all the Braun products listed from the interesting era from the 1950s up to, let's say, 1990, where Dieter Rams was active. And there they also mention that Braun sometimes rebranded products from other manufacturers, quite rarely, in this case certainly, because the technique you need just to build this thing was certainly not present at the Braun factory near Frankfurt. So this must be a rebranded type, although it's not mentioned in my design Bible about the Braun products. So it would be interesting if anybody knows something more about this ST1 calculator, if it's in fact a rebranded CASIO. So this was it for today for a short answer video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye from Roger, bye from CASIO Labs.